Hello guys. It's How to Everyday here. Today we are going to see if you are colorblind or not. Let's get started. This one must be easy. What number do you see? The correct answer is 1. Like bar 1. If you got it correct, give yourself a point. What number do you see here? Correct answer is 6. And I know it's still easy, but bear with me. What do you see now? 8 is the correct one. How about now? Let me give you a clue. What is 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 1 plus 0 minus 0? It's 4. If you got them correct so far, then you have a chance at winning. What's the answer to this one? It is 8. I bet you didn't see it coming. And last but not least, what number do you see? In 3, 2, 1. The answer is 6. Let me know your score out of the 6 questions. If you got them all correct, then here's your trophy. Until next time.